Thank you so much, Dr. Raviji. First of all, thank you for inviting me for this conversation. Uh, while earlier Joint Secretary was putting up with the initiatives of IT of Government of India, it was really nostalgic because Lucknow was the seat for G20 celebrations of group of ministers on IT specifically, and I was the privileged one to be nodal to organize that. So it was really very nice to reminiscent those memories again. Thank you so much for reminding me again. Presently, I'm managing director of Uttar Pradesh Sugar Mill Federations. So in Uttar Pradesh, it is the second largest state in terms of sugarcane, and we have more than it is spread out in approximately half of the state, 45 districts, with approximately 46 lakh of farmers attached to it. Out of them, approximately 11.5 lakhs are marginal farmers. So now you understand the point that there are marginal farmers who have very less of, what should I say, accessibility issue was there. Then to keep on hopping and hopping to different offices were a very big issue. So this is how IT came into existence or came into chipped in, and it has chipped in very beautifully, I must say. So if any of you has a link with the agrarian setup of India or the farmer setup in India, you will really appreciate that to go on and off to a government office is a big deal for a farmer. So how to eradicate that? Specifically, we are in sugarcane industry. So there is one very important smart Ganna Kisan app. So that particular app in itself gives each and every facility to a Kisan to identify each and every step. कब पर्ची कटनी है, SMS पे आएगी. किस डेट को आपको डिलीवरी करना है, इट विल कम इन योर मोबाइल. सो मोबाइल हैज टू बी एग्नोस्टिक. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं स्मार्टफोन हो, सिंपल मोबाइल भी चलेगा. ईच एंड एवरी इंफॉर्मेशन द मोमेंट इट इज़ डिलीवर्ड विद इन 14 days, जैसा कि अभी पहले DPI की बात भी हुई थी, देयर इज अ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म, इट ऑल इंटीग्रेटेड, अमाउंट ऑटोमेटिकली गोज टू द किसान के खेत उसमें अकाउंट में. Third part, which was most important, was survey. What exactly is the crop type and how much is the area in which it is sown? It is all GPS tracked now. So there is a handheld machine that just circles around each and every field plot, and they just capture the GPS location and just find it out that what actually is the total size of the plot in which a particular crop has been sown. So now you understand one thing. There is a survey done digitally. You don't have to move out. There is a time-defined limit through which you will get information when to cut your plow. Thirdly, when you deliver the system, automatically the amount comes into your account. So इस पूरे process के लिए जिस समय एक ज़माने में there were so many frequent visits to office, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं in common parlance in UP सट्टा पर्ची, that used to be a very big deal. In the last couple of years, now it has come so beautifully and so seamless that you don't find any hassle with any of the farmer anywhere. I challenge you, if you have any of the relative who is into this ganna in sugarcane farming, he will definitely tell you, he or she will definitely tell you that yes, this thing is definitely going on in a big way. And it is not just Uttar Pradesh. It is pan-India integration as well, because we are basically cooperative societies. Ultimately, it is farmers-centric society. So, Raviji, as you said, what are the digital initiatives? Then yes, I would say that the digital platforms, the ICT initiatives have changed the sugarcane industry in a big way. Not just that. Now, I'm talking about UP-specific issues, because as you said, I have been in the IT, so kuch na kuch to IT ka leke chalenge hi. So I have introduced AI also in the concept. Not everyone is, we are all human beings with all our small and big issues. तो हमारे एक बहुत बड़ा इशू होता है कि एक किसान की एक ट्रॉली तौली गई, थोड़ी देर बाद दोबारा उसी ट्रॉली को किसी और के नाम पे तौलने की कोशिश की. Infiltrations. उसको हमने AI और ML बेस पे किया है। ML हमारी चल रही है, 15 दिन में मशीन लर्निंग हो जाएगी, देन वी विल गो विथ फुल थ्रॉटल AI। मोमेंट वन ट्रैक्टर वन ट्रक कम्स बैक अगेन इन अनदर 1 day 24-hour circle, we will just identify it and send an alert. How come the same tractor, same make, same truck, same make, same trolley, same buggy, whatever, we will just capture the figure. You know how ML works and you know how AI works. So we are implementing that also. Secondly, we have got our machine alert concept, in which even a slight movement in the throttle or say pulley or say the rotor. So one thing is that the rotor has a very slight inclination, थोड़ा noise ज़्यादा करने लगा, पता नहीं चला, वैसे भी बहुत शोर होता है फैक्ट्री में. So we are putting a small indentation over there. We will capture even the slightest movement over there, so we can have a predictive and preemptive analysis of what is happening in the factories through a portal-based system, in which we will be getting all the important alerts and everything. So few interventions we are also having it. Thank you.